Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. The goal of AI is to develop systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. There are two main types of AI, narrow or weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a specific task or a set of tasks. It operates within a limited context and doesn't possess the broad range of abilities that a human brain does. Examples include virtual personal assistants, image recognition software, and voice-controlled systems. General or strong AI. This is a more advanced form of AI that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge across different domains, similar to human intelligence. Achieving true general AI remains a significant challenge and is the subject of ongoing research and speculation. AI can be further categorized into machine learning, ML, a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms, and statistical models that enable computers to improve their performance on a task through learning from data, without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, a type of machine learning that involves neural networks with many layers, deep neural networks. Deep learning has been particularly successful in tasks such as image and speech recognition. AI applications are widespread and continue to evolve rapidly, impacting various aspects of our daily lives, including healthcare, finance, education, entertainment, and more. As technology advances, ethical considerations and responsible AI development become increasingly important topics for discussion and regulation.